The suspect in the Waukesha parade attack, Darrell Brooks, will represent himself without an attorney in next week's trial. It mirrors another trial in Waukesha from more than 25 years ago. James Oswald was his own defense attorney when he went on trial for a crime spree that included the murder of Waukesha Police Captain James Lutz. CBS 58's Gabriella Becerra talked to the man who prosecuted the Oswald case to get his perspective on the Brooks trial. Gabby.
Well, Jessup, one commonly asked question in the last 24 hours is how can the judge let Darrell Brooks represent himself? A legal expert tells me the judge had no choice. The law is clear. It's not uncommon for someone to waive their right to an attorney, but it's not every day we see it happen in high-profile cases.
Objection, no foundation.
The man objecting is James Oswald.
Your answer was yes, sir?
Yes. Objection, asked and answered.
He was convicted of 20 felony counts after a jury trial in 1995, stemming from a bank robbery and a deadly shootout with police.
I'll never forget it.
Partially because Oswald represented himself.
It was a mess.
Former Waukesha District Attorney Paul Bucher was a prosecutor on the case, one of the last high-profile trials in Waukesha where the defendant was his own attorney.
And he was always trying to get under my skin. We did not like each other.
And Bucher predicts history might repeat itself in the upcoming Waukesha Christmas parade trial.
Is he going to be the best lawyer? Hardly. Is he going to be a good lawyer? Hardly. He's just going to cause chaos.
Defendant Darrell Brooks will represent himself. Bucher says likely from the defense table.
It is still intimidating, and so we prepped witnesses for that.
The attorney says Brooks has already showed the court what to expect about his behavior.
My First Amendment right to be able to say what I want.
Mr. Brooks, your rights do not involve interrupting me.
Judge Darrell is a great judge, but he picked the wrong judge to spar with.
He says disruptive behavior and a lack of legal knowledge slows down a trial. Bucher expects the state may consider pivoting their case to make things move quicker.
But it wouldn't surprise me if they moved to dismiss 25 or 30 counts.
That remains to be seen, but one thing's for certain. This will be another trial Waukesha will never forget. Brooks has less than 1 week to prepare his own defense case. I asked Bucher if that's enough time. He tells me you can't prepare for something you don't know how to do. In the newsroom, Gabriella Becerra, CBS 58 News.